Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 fire weather outlook. We have an elevated risk for fire spread today that encompasses eastern Nevada and western Utah. And we have an isolated risk for dry thunderstorms today that encompasses southeastern Oregon, northeastern Nevada, far northwestern Utah, much of Idaho, and southwestern Montana for the isolated dry thunderstorm risk. Okay, so dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning that occur without precipitation because the air is dry. The precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground. Here you're left with nada in that case, meaning no precipitation. But you're still left with thunder and lightning. You still have thunder and lightning. And if lightning hits the ground, it can cause a fire and it can spread quickly. So, anyway, in synopsis, broad ridging is forecast to expand over the central U.S. today and tonight as a mid-level trough strengthens over the west. Monsoon moisture will lift north ahead of the trough and surface cold front supporting scattered showers and a few dry thunderstorms. Dry and breezy conditions are also possible over parts of the southwest. So, that is your Day 1 fire weather outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in these areas today. Alright? And, sorry. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately and put them in a container and have sufficient food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, a cell phone, phone chargers, and a battery-powered radio. Have those supplies on standby just in case you need to evacuate on a moment's notice because fires can suddenly start. So if you do evacuate, you'll also want to map out your evacuation plan. Where to go. Sorry, a little bit. I always feel congestion when I wake up. I just woke up about a half hour ago, prior to doing the video. But anyway, just be prepared to evacuate on a moment's notice. So, anyway, also please avoid outdoor burning in these areas that I mentioned, as one little spark on dry fuels can cause a fire, and the fire can spread quickly and out of control. And finally, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're lit and even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering. Two, one little spark can cause a fire and it can spread quickly and out of control. And make sure your cigarette is out before you throw it away. Okay? Make sure your cigarette is out before you throw it away. Because trash can fires are big too. Are a big deal too. So, stay safe in these areas and stay tuned for my Day 1 severe weather outlook, where I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks. Take care.